Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to column widget in shortcut key in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then show the Excel document from the column widget in shortcut key. Firstly, then your needs from column widget. Now keyboard press from the alert is or W. Then show the then your source from the column edit. Now for okay. That's it. So again and now keyboard press from the A so W. That's okay. Then I show the column edit in shortcut key in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.